How to add music to your WhatsApp status, step-by-step guide. Exciting news for WhatsApp users. As of March 31, 2025, you can now jazz up your status updates with music, making your photos and videos even more engaging. Imagine sharing a snapshot of your day with the perfect song playing in the background. Now that's a game changer. WhatsApp status has always been a fun way to share snippets of your life, similar to stories on Instagram and Snapchat. These updates appear on your profile picture and disappear after 24 hours, allowing you to keep your friends in the loop with what you're up to. But now, with the addition of music, your updates can truly reflect your mood and personality. So, how does this new feature work? It's simple. When you create a new status, you'll notice a music note icon at the top of your screen. Just tap on it, and you have access to a vast library of millions of songs. You can select a short clip to accompany your update, 15 seconds for photos and up to 60 seconds for videos. This means you can choose the perfect soundtrack to match your vibe. And don't worry about privacy, WhatsApp ensures that your status updates are end-to-end encrypted. This means that while you can share your favorite tunes, WhatsApp won't have access to what you're sharing or which songs you choose. In addition to this fantastic update, WhatsApp has also made it easier for iPhone users to set the app as their default calling and messaging platform. With the recent iOS 18.2 update, tapping a phone number or message button will now automatically launch WhatsApp instead of the default apps. So, get ready to express yourself like never before. With music now part of your WhatsApp status, your updates will be more vibrant and personal. Stay tuned for this feature rolling out globally in the coming weeks.